Hi Radiance, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I revamp my clients' old wigs and transform them to look brand new again. If you have been wondering how to restore your dirty tangled wig without damaging the hair, then this video is for you. This tutorial will be divided into different parts because wig revamping involves several important steps that must be followed carefully to achieve the best results, while protecting both the wig and your client's hair. I want to ensure I explain each step in detail so you can easily understand and follow along. Before we start guys, here are a few tips you need to bear in mind when revamping wigs. Always separate them according to their hair types and colors. Do not revamp colored wigs together with natural colored wigs as the color may transfer. Also, do not wash coily wigs together with straight wigs. Always wash them separately and treat each type separately. This is to maintain their quality and to achieve the best results. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into today's video. For today's tutorial on revamping straight wigs, here are the products I will be using. Tresemmé Shampoo, Tresemmé Conditioner, Keratin Hair Mask, Deep Leave-In Conditioner, Silicone Mix, Outdoor Crystal Clear Dye, Hair Serum, a wide tooth comb or brush, the mixing bowl and spoon for measurements and mixing the treatments. The first step is to detangle the wig using a brush or a comb. This is to prevent unnecessary shedding and breakage. In a lukewarm water, add your shampoo. I will then soak the wig in the soapy water to loosen all the dirt and build-up products. To cleanse the hair properly, I will gently dip the wig in and out of the water while massaging the hair with my hands. For the closure lace, I will apply a little more shampoo to remove all the build-up products. Using the palm of my hand, I will gently scrub the lace until it's clean. Avoid scrubbing the lace too harshly as this can damage your wig. Ladies, kindly bear in mind when revamping your wig, you do not wash them the same way you wash your clothes. Be very gentle throughout this process to avoid tangling, shedding or damaging your hair. As you can see, the water is already very dirty. I will rinse the wig thoroughly the first time and repeat the washing process one more time using the same method. Once I'm satisfied with the wigs are completely clean, I'm going to go ahead and rinse again and again and again. Bear in mind this wig I washed them 3 times until I was satisfied the wig are completely clean. The next step now is to condition the wig. I will apply the conditioner generously throughout each wig and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it out. Ladies, bear in mind when you are washing more than one wig, you are to apply your conditioner on each wig separately. Ensure to put enough conditioner on each of it and leave it for it to sit a little while before you comb and rinse out. Now comes my favorite part of revamping process, the treatment. I will combine all my treatment products in a mixing bowl and stir them until everything is well blended. Then I will apply the treatment generously to each wig, ensuring each strand is well coated. I will generously apply the treatment onto each wig one after the other from the roots to the end of the wig. Once I'm done, I will get my comb and comb the hair in order for the treatment to penetrate deeply. After that, I will place the wig in a plastic bag and leave it overnight. This is the most important part of treating your wig. This allows the treatment to penetrate deeply into the hair, restoring moisture, soften your hair, give it more strength and shine. And ladies, that brings us to the end of part 1 of this wig revamping series. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Be sure to watch out for part 2, where I will show you the final results and review how beautifully this wig turned out after the treatment. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, comment and share. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, remain blessed and bye.